everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club. I'm excited to create my first project using the amazing January HipKits. As you know, Monday is our mixed media day, and so I also use the Shimmerz paints and spray, which are included in the January color kit. First I paint my paper with the Shimmerz paints and spray. You can use watercolor paper or a thick cardstock. It doesn't matter if the paper bends because we only use pieces of the paper and not the whole sheet. I apply the paint with a paintbrush and dry it with my heat tool. When the paper is dry, I apply a layer of modeling paste using a stencil from a previous color kit and let it dry. I got the assignment to use punches, and so I use my punches to cut out circles in different sizes, which I use on my layout later. fussy cut leaves and branches from the HipKit Club exclusive The Stories We Tell Heartfelt Memory paper. I take the paper circles and my photos, which I also punched out, and arrange them on my page combined with the fussy cut leaves. Now I use the linen texture metal die and cut out 5 pieces from white cardstock, which I layer with my photos and the paper circles to add texture to my layout. Before I place all these elements on my layout, I cut my cardstock to a smaller size and use a corner punch to decorate the corners. Then I glue it on another piece of white cardstock and add some machine stitching. Now I can glue all elements on my page. I pick out some die cuts from the Stories We Tell ephemera pack, which is included in the January main kit, and embellish my paper circles. I also add some of the exclusive floral ephemera, which you can find in the January embellishment kit. Now I add some flowers, which I fussy cut from the Stories We Tell Childhood Memories and the Secrets Revealed papers. continue embellishing the layout with some of the chipboard words and phrases stickers, which are included in the January main kit. I choose a bow from the Build a Pocket stickers pack, which you can also find in the January main kit, to embellish one of my photos. Finally, I add more fussy cut leaves and some of the puffy dots, which are included in the January embellishment kit. Here you can see the finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.